welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia and we are starting right there with our supplies. And I am not ready to let this summer go. I just want it to last forever, but I'm just kind of trying to get into this fall feeling, I guess. I don't know. I'm just not ready for the fall to come. But anyways, we are doing this fall DIY and decor for your home. I would need some artificial leaves. These hoops, they are 6 inches in diameter. I bought them on Amazon and I bought 2 packs. Each pack has 5 hoops. Also, I would need just a normal wire so that you can bend, gold spray paint, a hot glue gun, and also pliers to cut your wires. Gather all of your hoops and take a wire and tie everything pretty tightly with your wire. Now you can spread your hoops. Place them as even as you want the hoops. I'm trying to get them as even as I can, but you don't have to. I think I want to keep them just like they are right now, right here. The more you play with your hoops and with your wire, the wire gets a little bit looser and the hoop starts to be crooked. So try to work with less messing around. So I think I like what I see right now. And to secure everything, I'll just put hot glue right in the middle to make sure I have these hoops in place and they would not move. I'm pretty sure they will move a little bit, but I want it to stay there and hold the shape just like that. And while it's cooling down, the hot glue is cooling down in the middle, we are going to work on our wire. So I got my wire and I have my finger and I want to wrap this wire around my finger. Don't tie this wire too tight on your finger, just enough for the finger to get out of this later. So take your finger out and you have this very cute spiral that pumpkins have. You can grab a pen or a pencil. I have my pliers right next to me. Keep on twisting your wire, making your twist a little smaller at the end. Make a little smaller spiral for my pumpkin, so I'll have 2 or several, and I'll get back to you. I'm adding more glue right on where the wire meets the hoops. Don't worry about the hot glue being everywhere. We're gonna close everything with our artificial leaves. My little spirals, I want to go outside and spray paint them in gold so they would match my hoops. Before we start decorating our little hoop pumpkin, take your pumpkin and then flip it upside down. And you put hot glue at the very bottom. flip your pumpkin back to your top. Now it's time to decorate and have fun. Let your imagination go wild on your pumpkins. Make sure you cover all the glue and all of this wire over here, and it's gonna be a really pretty pumpkin. Before I start decorating, I found the biggest opening that I have, and I want for my leaves to kind of loop around this area and then kind of cascade out a little bit. We'll see how it goes. I am done with this fall decor DIY, and I like what I see. It even turned out better than I thought in my head and imagined in my head. So what I like about this DIY, that it looks good from every single angle. You can't see that hot glue that we glued all of those hoops together. You can't see the wire. It's all hidden. You can place as many leaves as you want and stuff your pumpkin as much as you want. I want it for hoops to show as well, so I stopped at this amount, and I really like it. I will list every single supply in the description down below, so if you're interested in this decorations, you can go ahead and check everything in my description down below. Also, it's very affordable and it is very easy to make. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you back very soon. Bye bye.